Because they're running so much. They're running so much.
So this is like our diamond miner
for them,
system.
You know, for here.
So this thing, it's full. You know, you can rock it, for the Lucy tech, mix it up, and then you can drain out your sauce fraction. And you just lock it in.
But you'll be doing
you can drain
like
it out.
Thing that'll have where it does it automatically for you, or
yeah. So that's kind of what we're in the process of, is like an auto burping system as well as a step motor that will just rock this. So you'll be able to control it from your house at home, and it'll be set like programmable to do whenever you want automatically. It could be like every 30 minutes, or you could we could literally put a camera on here. You could like look at it and be like, oh, it's pucking up, like rotate, like.
Cool.
While you're like at home, so you don't have to go into the lab on the weekends, and you'd be able to auto burp. You could look at your pressures, look inside there. That's kind of what we're working on. Will
there be like any kind of alarm that'll alarm you at a certain pressure where you'll know, oh, I know that I put this type of gas in, so at this pressure it should tell me that I'm at this percentage of solubility.
Yeah,
I need to enter more.
It should be like fully customizable, you know, to do a lot of things. I mean, so Andrew with Sample Automation is obviously, it's his software, but my understanding is you'll be able to we can program lots of things like that.
Cool.
Is what he's working on. So
very cool.
Do you guys have these available currently?
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, technically, the automation is what we're going to be R&D next, but right now we have these for sale, yeah.
Well,
What's your price
how
on
much is this, I
these?
guess, without the automation?
This one's probably like $5,000.
It's not bad.
All in.
No, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Really? Like including
Yeah, with
all
the
of
base and
your
everything,
stand and everything?
Yeah.
All right.
And like I said, we have smaller versions of this. So we actually, have our own facility where we have more of these that are actually being tested right now. This is the only one I have right here.
Okay. Very cool. Way cool.
We can go see the behemoth.
Yeah.